of the Panasonic AM/FM dual cassette stereo boombox model RX-CT800. We'll go ahead and power it on to FM radio. The graphic equalizer, volume, tuning.
Fell deeper into debt in China. Well,
today's 101.9.
And over to AM radio.
Maury says he is impressed how religious and community groups have come together to address poverty and violence in Baltimore nearly a year after the riots.
And tape.
They warned me about the city life.
Now the rewind and fast forward on the left deck does not work, and the right deck is not working at all. Most likely it needs new drive belts, as these tend to deteriorate with age. Overall, it's a really nice radio. Has great sound, plenty of power, great bass response, and excellent reception. And real nice condition. Super clean. Doesn't really show much sign of wear. Overall, real nice. This concludes the demo, and thanks very much for watching.